Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I like to vlog vacations and vlog and review food. Today I have for you Stitch Fix, which is a clothing service. You pay a styling fee of $20 and the styling fee gets applied to your purchase. I will put my affiliate link down below if you would like to try it. The first box will be on me, which means you don't have to pay a styling fee, but also I'm almost positive that you get a $25 credit to your account. I'm not sure when they implemented that, but I had a friend just recently use my affiliate code and she did get a $25 credit, so that's cool. Just also a quick reminder, I have a giveaway going on that's linked down below, and I have an announcement for a future giveaway that's also linked down below, and we are currently in my birthday month, so we will just see how uploads go. With that being said, let's get into Stitch Fix. So opening up my Stitch Fix here, you have your return shipping label. I will put my playlist down below of other boxes if you are interested. You get a note from your stylist, and they also give you ideas for styling. I will put a picture of this note up in the corner for you to read. And so now I am pulling out the invoice, and it tells you what you get, and it tells you how much everything costs. And then I'm pulling out, I actually have two burritos. So I have a burrito here, and then I have a burrito here, which is a clutch, and then I actually also ordered extras. I think it's supposed to be in this burrito, but I won't be trying these on for the camera, but I got those. Let's get into trying these things on. So here we have the Skies Are Blue Salon Point Knit Skirt. It says it's in black. It's a size small for $54. Here we have the Gold Ray Bead Detailed Tulip Hem Halter Top in teal green in a small for $58. And we also have the Imperia Lila Ring Clutch in turquoise for $44. This shirt has beaded detail around the neck. It is a beautiful color. This shirt does have two layers. It kind of balloons out. I'm not sure how I feel about the fit on me. I will think about it. The skirt has a beautiful detail, bright blue colors, has some oranges in there, but I just really don't think this pattern is for me. The purse is a beautiful teal color. It has animal print on the inside that I am very fond of. The purse is a definite maybe for me. So next we have the Collective Concepts Raquel Cami Blouse in white, a size small, and it's $54. Typically I would run towards print like this, and I do like the print, I do like the colors. However, the shirt is just way too small in my breast area. It's super tight across my breast, and it just doesn't look right. We also have the Just Black Ansel Frayed Hem Shorts in black in a size 4 for $58. These do look nice. They do fit me really well. I like the way they make my butt look. Oh, that's a tough one. The shorts will go in the maybe pile, and the top will go in the no pile. So I have decided that I'm going to keep the Hanky Panky underwear. Those are $23. I am going to keep the turquoise clutch for $44, and I'm going to keep the Just Black shorts for $58. I've had a few drinks. I can't do the math. I'll put it on the screen. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.